Pete Zielinski, additive-manufacturing.media, Formnext in Frankfurt, Germany. How do you increase build rate with FDM? This new startup company, Sculptman, has an idea. They have a variable nozzle orifice, controllable orifice, a rectangular nozzle extrusion area. 2 dimensions. One dimension of the rectangle controls the layer height. If you think about it, the extruder the material kind of curves. And then the other dimension of the rectangle is the width of how much material you're putting down. So vary the build profile as you go, thick and thin, to optimize your build speed. Think about it, this is a software solution even more than it's a hardware solution, because as that orifice area increases, the extruder has to increase at the same rate. All of that has to be controlled. To solve that, Sculptman not only developed the nozzle, but also new slicer software that takes care of all those variables that aren't usually part of FDM.